time that you were choosing to let go of social media because, you know, you needed to heal physically and also inside, you know, syempre everything that brings any negativity usually, diba, blocks any form of healing. But still, you came out and it had to do with politics also, kahit papano. Did you ever think at that point nung una, should you also choose to stay away from politics for the time being habang naghihil ako? At ba't mo napiling
you don't think about yourself pa ganun eh. Sorry, this is a character trait instilled in us by my mom. My brother will never talk, and I know na had we been in speaking terms at that time, napagalitan ako to the highest heavens na don't be my spokesperson, gaganon yun. Pero, hindi mo maaawat eh, di ba? Ipagtatanggol mo ang dugo. I can only imagine what's happening with other families. Kasi, di ba, I can imagine what's happening with the Estradas right now. I can imagine what's happening with the Binites right now. Kami nga, hindi nga kami tumatakbo, di ba? So, but, nung nabasa ko yun, parang you lit a dynamite. Sorry. Yung talaga, I'll take a bullet for him. And that's what I said, na, okay, kung siya si Batwoman, Chris is so ready to be Catwoman anyway. Willing ako na ako na yung maging kontrabida sa mata ng lahat. Because that's the truth. Na things had to be said. And if it had to be said in those words, I do it all over again. Because that's what you do for family. And actually, I'll go back aminin naman na natin na ang Pilipinas is not about parties. It's about personalities. Ang nananalo dito, hindi dahil itong partido niya, hindi dahil ito yung kulay niya, nananalo based on the cult of personality. And it's either you have that charisma or you don't have it. And yung talaga, may mga tao born to serve and born to be, I think it's safe to say na si Bam belongs in that category na they're the worker bees. The ones who keep government running. Because not everybody will make it to the top spot. Because nga, sinabi ko rin, it's a matter of destiny. Pero yung kailangan natin ng mga ganito, and I so strongly disagree dun sa sinasabi na credit grabber. Kasi, how can somebody like Bam be a credit grabber hindi nga nabibigyan ng panahon at pagkakataon? And ilan lang ba ang social media followers niya for him to be grabbing the credit? And sa totoo lang naman na nag-organize nito at nagbayad nito ako. So alam na natin wala silang budget. Why? And I guess you have to report that, right? Oo, nandun yun. Naloka kayong lahat. Diba? So parang, in order for you to sustain and for people to know what your projects are, you need money.